Alright, so here we have this this American Standard Silver Series, or no, sorry, this Gold Series air conditioner right here running on a very hot day, 89 degrees. Alliance scroll compressor. Gentech fan motor. It's from 2014 and it's a 2-ton. Very cold. Okay. Oh, this thing actually is a heat pump. Never mind. I didn't really see the reversing valve. This is at the Chesapeake Bay area in Maryland. Here it is. Right there. So yeah. It's on this little ledge, so yeah, there's my phone. That's the red thing. Get that. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.